Students, today I am going to revise the chapter logarithm for your coming unit test. Okay, giving some important questions related logarithm chapter. Question number 1: if x square plus y square is equal to 7xy, means it is given. If x square plus y square is equal to 7xy, prove that 2 whole into log x plus y is equal to log 9 plus log x plus log y. See, in this question what is given and what you have to prove. Just check. Here given x square plus y square equal to 7xy, and you have to prove 2 log x plus y equal to log 9 plus log x plus log y. Okay, this is the thing given. Now start. Let us start. What is given? First to start, what is given first write. X square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Adding 2xy both sides. X square plus y square, you have to add 2xy both left hand side as well as right hand side. Then what you will get here, just to check. This is nothing but x plus y whole square, and this is 9xy. After that, taking log both sides, taking log, natural log both sides. This will be log of x plus y whole square. This is log 9xy. Okay. After that, the power will come outside, so 2 log x plus y, 2 log x plus y, and this will be log 9 plus log x plus log y, as it is given multiplication. 9 into x into y, that is log 9, as per the logarithm properties of multiplication given here, means you have to write add log 9 plus log x plus log y. Now you see, you got or not? This is the way of proving the important question that I selected from the chapter logarithm. The first one is proved. 2 whole into log x plus y is equal to log 9 plus log x plus log, that is proved. Let us take second question, number 2 question. Okay, I think you are able to understand the question number 1, what is given and what you have to prove, how I have put it. See, you have right here adding 2xy both sides. Though I am written telling here adding 2xy both sides. Okay, and this is nothing but x plus y whole square. Okay, let us go number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2, it is given that log x plus 1 minus log x minus 1 equal to 1 given. This is given and you have to find out the value of x. Okay, from this equation you have to find out the value of x. How to find out? Just check. As it is minus sign given, as per the property of logarithm, this will be log of x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to log 1. I can write here log 10, because log 10 is equal to 1. Now, taking anti-log both sides, that means this will be x plus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 10. After that, if you cross multiply, what will you get here? Okay, I am doing here. Just this implies x plus 1 is equal to 10x minus 10. And this is 11 equal to 9x. Therefore, x will be how much? 11 by 9. So, what is the answer? X is equal to 11 by 9. Okay. Let us go on next number, number 3. See, the question number 3 I have taken from the book, from your book Innovative Math Books, as per your prescribed books for class 9. The chapter is logarithm. Log of 8x minus 4 base 10 minus log 4 base 10 is equal to log 3x minus 2 base 10. In every case, base 10 given, and here minus sign given, you have to find out the value of x by solving this equation. Now see, log 8x minus 4, here minus log 4, that means you have to divide. Minus means divide 8x minus 4 by 4 base 10 and equal to log of 3x minus 2 base 10. Comparing both sides, 8x minus 4 by 4 is equal to 3x minus 2. Yes or no? After that, if I take 4 common, it will be cancelled out. That will be 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 2. I hope you are able to understand. Now this minus to bring this side, this will be 2 minus 1 and 3x minus 2x. Finally, what are you getting? X is equal to 3x minus 2x, x, 2 minus 1, 1, x is equal to 1. In this way, I have completed 3 questions from the chapter logarithm. Let us go question number 4. First part completed, second part. Okay, solve for x. So second part, it is question given like this. Log 15 root over 15 base given x is equal to 2 minus log 3 root 5 base x. Okay, this is the question given. You have to find out the value of x. First of all, you have to study the question. What are the things given and how to arrange. Log 15 root 5 base x. See, log 15 root 5 base x. Here also minus log 3 root 5 base x. Bring this one this side. This will be log 15 root 5 base x. This will be plus log 3 root 5 base x equal to 2. After that, you check here plus sign given, that means you have to multiply log 15 root 5 into 3 root 5. You have to multiply base here x equal to 2. Now, this is coming how much? 15, and this is also root 5 into root 5, 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 15, that means 15 whole square. 15 whole square, and this will be, I am converting to exponent form. Logarithm form given, I am writing exponent form. This will be x to the power 2 means x square. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. Log of 15 whole square base x equal to, that means this is the base and this is the power, x square is equal to this one. Now comparing both sides, 15 whole square equal to x square, that means x will be how much? X is equal to 15. Okay, this is the process that I have applied here. Here I have few questions, the important questions that I have completed from the chapter logarithms. Okay, try to practice more in the home for your coming unit test, as well as HPL exam also. Thank you for today's class.